Welcome back. You are looking at some incredible video from one of the many tornadoes that developed yesterday across parts of the Midwest. This video was taken near Sutton, Nebraska. You can see it right there on your screen. Very visible tornado developing and the debris field around it just swirling around. Awesome footage there. We've got about 35 tornado reports from yesterday across parts of the middle of our country. And as early as this morning, there is already thunderstorms developing, some snow falling across the Rockies at this time. Here are all of those tornado reports from yesterday, about 35 of them across parts of Kansas, Nebraska, also Iowa, even as far east as Indiana. And today, National Weather Service meteorologists will be going out to assess the damage to determine how strong those tornadoes were. But there's still a threat for some strong storms again today. Wisconsin and Michigan looking at the threat for some tornadoes as early as this morning. We have strong storms developing, and you have to think this is before the sun has had a chance to really heat up the air. The sun is what fuels all of these storms. We already have heavy rain falling just north of Kansas City, north of Omaha as well, moving into the Great Lakes region. On the back end of this storm is some very cold air. About 2 feet of snow fell yesterday across parts of the Rockies, and we still have snow falling. Again, that threat for some strong storms today, extending all the way from the Great Lakes region down through the plains into the lower Midwest states. Tornadoes, heavy rain, 1 to 3 inches of rain, locally up to 5 inches in some places, damaging winds and even hail. But while the east is very active, we tend to be very inactive. We have this large ridge of high pressure beginning to build into the west, so cloud cover will stay off to our north and west for today, keeping us dry with skies staying fairly clear. Very quiet this morning, not dealing with much in the way of clouds or fog. Just near North Bend, I've been seeing reduced visibilities all morning with a little bit of fog there. But elsewhere, sunny skies. Temperatures are in the mid-30s in the Klamath Basin, as well as near Mount Shasta. We're in the mid-40s in Medford, as well as in Brookings. Here are those visibilities down to 1 mile near North Bend. Shaping up just fine for inland areas, though. Lots of sun on the way for today. We'll be about 5 to 10 degrees warmer than Sunday. The warmest days of the week look to be Wednesday and Thursday. We are again coming close to record high temperatures, likely tying and breaking many of them. Some of these records for Wednesday and Thursday are from decades ago. 95, the forecasted high on Wednesday in Medford. That is also the record. This record is from 1939 in North Bend, the record for the middle of the week from 1907. For today at the coast, mostly sunny skies, very warm temperatures on the way. We're in the 70s up and down the coast. Siskiyou County, plenty of sun on the way for you today. Summer-like temperatures as well. In the basin, very comfortable, warming to 72 in Klamath Falls, 67 in Lakeview. Across the higher elevations, mostly sunny for today. And same story for the Rogue Valley, 83 in Medford, 85 in Grants Pass. Here's that 7-day forecast. 81 for tomorrow at the coast. That is our offshore wind, really warming up temperatures these next few days. Siskiyou County, you'll be in the 90s come Wednesday and Thursday. For the Klamath Basin, the 80s by Wednesday and Thursday. A very warm and dry week ahead. Summer-like temperatures these next few days, even for the higher elevations, warming into the 70s across the Rogue Valley. This is officially a heat wave, 3 consecutive days with high temperatures in the 90s, Tuesday through Thursday.
Heat wave sounds like kind of a cheer that you do.
It sounds terrible. I don't want a heat wave. So how many days is it going to last?
3 days.
Okay.
3 days that you have to put up with the 90s.
Then we'll get a cool wave.
And then we get a cool wave. Yeah, cooling down into the weekend.